Hi there. Welcome to Workamajig's custom dashboard reporting. You can now create your own charts and graphs based on report data in Workamajig. Your Workamajig comes with a variety of preloaded graphs that are specific to each role, and those defaults can be modified, added to, and/or removed with the appropriate security rights. I'm on the home page of a custom dashboard where I can edit to either create a new graph or edit an existing graph. Selecting New will provide a list of the data sets that I have access to based on my security rights. I can scroll through the list, or I can simply search for a specific data set by its name. Once a data set is selected, then there will be a variety of graph types to choose from. Bar graphs are a comparison of values for a specific metric. Line graphs are best used with a time-based metric or a value that flows. A pie graph is a very simple representation of comparative values for a metric. Key metrics allows you to see multiple values in a single view lined up side by side. And this is a really great way to see the totals of specific selected fields, being able to also choose the operational outcome of those, which is typically set to present a sum for the total of the field. We'll create a pie chart to represent total hours per client using the time detailed data set that's already been chosen. So we'll go with the x-axis being client name. The x and the y-axis fields each contain a different list, preventing any attempt to compare the same data against itself. So we'll go with client name on X, and we'll go with actual hours on Y. And then I'll leave the roll-up set to sum. Refresh to get a preview of the graph, and then we'll also be able to apply designated filters for any other conditional controls on the data results. For example, here we might want to make a date range selection for when those actual hours are worked. In settings, give your graph a name and also a report description if you'd like to provide an explanation of the results that can be expected. Save changes to the home screen, and then decide how those graphs should be placed. You can decide a placement area and then also resize your graphs to fit your needs and suit your preferred layout, and then simply save your custom dashboard. This preloaded example that I have below the graph that we just created, service hours by client. This is a bar graph with a series that breaks out the different service code hours that have been applied to each client's overall total. The series option is only available on line and bar graphs, which adds another layer into the graph showing specific values within a line or a bar. In Workamajig, there are extensive reporting capabilities, and with it being a fully integrated system, there's accuracy in your real-time access to data, and we think you're really going to enjoy your custom dashboards for the graphical representation of those reports. Thank you.